Hey guys, okay, so I wanted to make some lemon bread. It tastes like the Starbucks loaves, you know, and I chose to use spelt flour. It's a wheat type of flour, so it helps you stay fuller longer because it has whole grains in it versus white flour. Use some applesauce, and I'm gonna use oat milk. You can use whatever milk you want. Also use whatever flour you want to. I'm just really good for baking, so anything with cookies or bread is spelt is good for. Some salt, of course, baking powder, baking soda, and you need a 1/4 cup of some lemons to help with the acidity. So I just cut up a bunch of these until I get to a 1/4 cup, and whether I need more or not, then we'll go from there. And then I have an extra couple of lemons just for the zest, which really brings out that lemon taste in the lemon bread that we're gonna make. And I got a mixing bowl. Okay, I want to make the lemons, the lemon juice. Yep. So I'm gonna do. This is a super easy dessert soda. This just needs a 1/4 teaspoon. So very little of it. 1 cup of sugar. Yep. So we have all the dry ingredients in here now. I'm gonna put a 1/4. Okay, this was 2 small lemons. Pour salt. Now we're gonna transfer it into a bread pan. Or canola oil pan, you wanna call it. Oh, it smells like applesauce and lemons. It smells yummy. Okay, in the center rack. All right, y'all, it's all done. We're gonna cut into it just so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. It definitely has the consistency of bread, but the way it tastes, it's like super soft. Yummy? Thanks for watching, guys. It's super easy. You have to try it. 40 minutes at 350. Okay? Enjoy.